Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I decided to do this video. There's this challenge going on YouTube. I recreated, or I followed one of Blank's tutorials. I decided to do Nikkietutorials because she's a beast. She has her style of doing makeup is very dramatic and like full glam, so I wanted to do something that would be like completely out of my comfort zone. And I wanted to do something that was affordable too, so I searched her affordable makeup tutorials. This popped up, this crazy ass look popped up, and oh my goodness, it was a challenge, but I enjoyed doing it so much. This eye came out really good. My left side is like the bald-headed stepchild that gets no love and attention, so we're just not even going to acknowledge this side. But this side, yes, we did good, because it's like, you know, she does one eye off camera, so this is the one I did off camera, did this one on camera. So second time around, I knew what I was getting myself into, so it came out a lot better. It was a challenge, but it was fun. If you guys want to see this video, just keep watching. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, Jamie with 8 eyes. If you have any more video suggestions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, y'all pray for me. We're about to do this tutorial. Let's hope this goes well. So I'm looking at her video on my computer right now. She's using the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline, but I'm going to use the Superstay foundation. I didn't see her use a primer, so I'm just going to use my spray primer from NYX. I'm not a fan of doing my foundation first. Like, I feel like I need to do my eyebrows first, but hey, we about to just go with it. Whew, I'm so nervous for this eye look though. Oh my gosh. And she's super full coverage, so we're going full coverage. We're going all the way in.
Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation in the color 112. And bouncing it into the skin using the Morphe Beauty Blender.
Oh, Mila agrees. For concealer, I'm gonna go.
Alright, hold on. Oh, she's okay. So yeah, I'm using a different concealer. It's still by Maybelline though. Okay,
Master Conceal by Maybelline as well.
For concealer, I'm gonna
she's using the Master Concealer, but I'm using the Age Rewind Concealer. Still both by Maybelline now. And okay, so I'm putting it under my eyes like her, and she puts it also like around her mouth. Oh, and did she not put it on her forehead? Hold on, y'all. I don't think she put it on her forehead. Okay, and she puts it like right here and right here. This is different, but we're gonna go with it. Oh my god, I'm so tempted to just I gotta make sure I seen that right. Like, I just really have to make sure that I'm not supposed to put it on my forehead, because when I tell you I'm so tempted to put it on my forehead and on my chin, whew, that's different. No. Alright, yeah, that's it. Okay, let's blend this out. Alright, y'all. Yeah, this is different. But she's bomb, so I trust her judgment. Wow, this is so weird not putting it down my nose. Oh my god. Okay. What's next?
And setting that using the Maybelline Fit Me powder.
And setting that
she's using it. She's setting it now.
Alright, now moving along to the
she's about to set the rest of her face.
In extra coverage.
I don't think I have a powder puff. But she's sitting with the Airspun powder. Okay, I gotta stay true since I have it. I got to. But she's using a powder puff that I do not have. Ah, shit. So I'm just gonna use the sponge still.
Doesn't budge all day.
So if you watch Nikkietutorials, then you know that she does like one eye off camera. So I did it. I did one eye off camera. What I wish I would have done is made it thicker. I should have made this thicker, and I'm so mad about it. It's just so out of my comfort zone. I'm just like, my comfort zone is all the way over there, and I'm all the way like over there. Like, let's just say my comfort zone is in China, and currently I am in Alabama. So she uses the matte, the city palette, I mean the Maybelline, the mini palette, but the matte one. They didn't have this, so I just got the makeupshayla one. That was like the closest thing that they had. And she didn't use like a transition color or anything. She literally just used one color. So I'm gonna use this brown color and then pack it on into the crease and upper crease area. This is so weird because I'm such a use a transition kind of person.
And once I have the basic shape outlined, I'm gonna go in with,
and then like she did like wing it out though for the cut crease. I'm gonna make sure that's like all blended out into the upper crease of my eye. So yeah, now I'm just going to blend this out. Oh y'all, this is like the struggle for me right now. And I think this is what I love so much about makeup, is that this shows you that there's no right or wrong way to do it, because everybody has such different techniques and everybody's makeup is pretty, you know, like there's no one right or wrong way to do makeup. Like it's just literally what works for you.
To show a fake lid, at least I got that going on.
Then she just used like the lightest color in that city palette, set the primer. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I hate it. I hate it. So I low-key struggled on this side trying to get this gold popping. But so what I realized is that like I have to like press it onto my eye and not like wipe it or like swipe it, you know. And I am gonna do it way thicker on this side. Now I'm just going to trace out this thing. I'm gonna let that dry down a little more. So I'm gonna start in the middle. Okay, Nikki, how the did you do this?
That's a precise ink. And we're going to be doing an outline surrounding the gold. And what will happen is you need a super thin liner for this. Maybe you got it. For the outline liner, go easy. Take your time, sit down, don't drink coffee because you'll shake. Take your time and do it step by step, stroke by stroke. And for glitter, I'm going to take the gold.
Okay, she's going too fast. Hold on. Back up. So I messed up a little bit, but we're going to keep going. So now I'm going to put the sequin, and I just got this sequin from Michaels. And I'm going to take a little bit. She said she used a tiny amount of glue, so I'm using glitter primer. Oh, it's big. I don't know what the hell I did. It's weird. Like, I made it thick. I made the outer part thicker, but not that part. And I gotta go. I have to do makeup after this, and I'm gonna be like this at my appointments. Okay, Nikki. Okay, I'm happy now. I'm happy because this side looks way better. She's literally insane for this. Like, wow. I swear, my left eye is like the bald-headed stepchild. The right eye cooperates, but this left side is just like, come on, bro, get your life. Okay, man, this is happening right now.
And for lashes,
so,
like, it is gonna be.
Can I dust this off my face yet?
How cool is that? Imagine wearing this to like a party or like an event or to like.
She said to a party or an event.
Going back in
girl, I ain't wearing this.
And
Wow, she's not using black liner. We're defining the lower lash line only halfway. Y'all, this is so different from me. Like, I'm just like the always have to wear black at the bottom.
And highlighting my inner corner.
So we're highlighting the inner corner. Oh shit. With the same.
Using that same lid color.
I am living right now. Like, I want to go out to a club right now. I want to do grocery shopping. I want to walk the dog.
She's
Bronzing and contouring this color palette.
So to highlight, she's using the BH Cosmetics. I don't have that, but I still will use an affordable highlight. I'll use my Milani highlighter.
Luxury makeup. And I'm going to glow myself today with this one right here called Electra. And anything that's left over in my brush, I go right on the center of the forehead and like above the arch of the brow.
Alright, we're really glowing today, y'all. I don't do all that. So she said it's red of remaining.
For lips, I'm first gonna line them.
I don't have that color, but it looks like a warm brown color.
Kidding. For lipstick, I'm going to be going in with this Maybelline lipstick in 915 Blushing Beige. And as you apply it, of course, buff it in with the lip pencil.
So I just outlined my lips kind of similar to how she did. And then
lipstick,
the lipstick, she did use the 915 Blushing Beige.
Beige. And as you apply it, of course, buff it in with the lip pencil.
Alright, some setting spray, and this transformation is complete.
And then I'm using the same lip lacquer that she used.
And that, guys, concludes this.
So she did just set her face, so I'll do the same. Alright, so this is the completed look. This eye looks way, way better, so I'm only going to show you guys this eye because this one is popping. I love this lip combination that she did. Like, I love this lacquer, this lip lacquer. Bomb. I'm so happy I got this. Yeah, this eye was over here struggling, but I really do like how this side came out. So yeah, that was actually so much fun. Would I do this on a daily? No, I would not, but I really had fun doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys would like to see.